Hello friends, welcome back. In this course of export import management, the next important topic is balance of payment. So balance of payment plays very important role in export and import of particular country. So balance of payment shows what is the exact balance in export and import of commodities of a particular country. So, balance of payment is a statement which records all the monetary transactions made between residents of a country and the rest of world during any given period. So, balance of payment is a statement. So, we can say balance of payment is a statement which records all monetary transactions which made between residents of a country and rest of the world during any given period. So in balance of payment it is a statement which records all the transaction which made by particular country with all over world. So there is a monetary transaction what happens between single country to whole world. Suppose this is India and this is a balance of payment statement which shows what India's monetary transaction done with other world. So whatever the transaction, it may be the export, it may be the import, export of goods or export of services, or import of goods or import of services. There may be the investment, there may be the financial transactions. So all monetary transaction which done between India and other world is recorded in a particular statement, and that statement is known as balance of payment. So we can say in short, balance of payment is a balance of payment is a balance sheet for country. So this balance sheet is related to monetary transaction of India with world. So balance sheet which is of particular country which record all monetary transaction of India with done with whole world. So whatever the transaction done with world is recorded in particular statement, and that statement is known as a balance of payment. So we can say balance of payment is a balance sheet of India which done the transaction with the world. So this is balance of payment. I think it is clear. Balance of payment is the statement which record all the monetary transactions made between India and other world in a particular time. So that time is 1 year. So the time is for 1 year. Normally we have the balance sheet and other transactions for 1 year. So we maintain balance of payment for each year. So every year there is a different balance of payment. So we can say it is a statement which record monetary transaction of India or of a country with other words in a particular year. So that is a balance of payment. So balance of payment, it includes all transaction made by individuals, corporate and government. So all transactions done by single individual, it may be transaction done by corporate, or it may be transaction done by the government. So this is a, what we say, it is a collective transactions done by all stakeholders of a country. It may be individual, it may be corporate, it may be the companies, it may be the government. So when all the elements are correctly included in the balance of payment, it should sum up to zero in a perfect scenario. This means the inflow and outflow of funds should be balanced out. So we can say that balance sheet is always balanced. So same thing, this is a balance sheet. So balance of payment is always balanced. So there is a sum of 2 0 in a perfect scenario. And this means inflow of goods, or what we say, inflow of funds and outflow of fund should be balanced out. So balance of payment statement of a country indicates whether the country has a surplus or a deficit of a fund. So it shows surplus or deficit of a funds. When a country export is more, when export is more than its import, then country has a surplus, and when it is deficit, then country import are more than the export. So if there is a deficit, then it says country imports are more than its export, and if it is a surplus, then we can say country export more than its import. So in a structure or elements, in a structure or elements of balance of payment, there are 3 components of balance of payment. Those are current account, capital account, and financial account. So how many accounts are there in balance of payment? There are 3 major account in balance of payment. So first account is current account, second one is capital account, and third is financial account. In sometimes it may, capital account and finance account may treated as the same. So sometimes there are only 2 accounts in balance of payment. So those are capital account and current account. So sometimes there are 2 components or 2 types of account, that is current account and capital account, or normally it is of 3 types, that is current account, capital account, and financial account. And as I told earlier, balance of payment always balance. So inflow of fund, so inflow and outflow always balance in a balance of payment. So current account, so I think everybody is aware about current account. So current account is which all current transactions, all the transaction related to working capital is, or the transaction is done or going to happen within a 1 year, within a 1 year time duration, then all those transactions are going to enter in a current account. So current account is used to monitor the inflow and outflow of goods and services between countries. So it includes the inflow and outflow of goods and services which done within 1 year. This account covers all the receipts and payments made with respect to raw materials and manufactured goods. So whatever receipts and payments made is entered, or with respect to raw materials and manufactured goods is entered in current accounts. So current account enters all receipts and payment made related to raw materials and manufactured goods. So whatever goods, materials, services is of inflow and outflow is done, is made in a current account. So which are items of current account? So these following items is enter the fund. Transactions done related to these items are entered in a current account. So those transactions related to merchandise, travel allowances or travel charges, transportation cost, insurance, investment income. So that this is a, we can say, return, or we can say interest received. So investment goes in a capital account, but whatever interest received, it entered in a current account. Then government transaction, donations and gift, and other miscellaneous things such as advertisement, commission, film rentals, then patent fees, royalties and membership fees. So these all items are going to considered in a current account. Then another account, that is capital account. So capital account of balance of payment of a country deals with financial transaction. It includes all types of short term, long term and international movements of capital. So capital account is related to financial transaction, that means financial movement. There is an investment, there may be the exchange of money. So all financial transaction, financial exchanges are considered under capital account. So all capital transaction between the countries are monitored through capital accounts. So what are the items considered in capital account? So those are loans and borrowings, then investments, then foreign exchange reserves and amortization. So these four are major elements which considered under capital accounts. So first one, loans and borrowings. So whatever the loans and borrowings received, or loans are received and borrowings are given, are considered under capital account. So whatever investment received or investment done in another country is also considered in capital account. Then foreign exchange reserves. So whatever reserves kept with central banks of a country are considered under capital account. And amortization. So whatever the repayment of official loans of countries and repayment of official loans of countries are considered under capital account. Then financial account. The flow of funds from and to foreign countries through various investment in real estates, business ventures, foreign direct investment, etc. is monitored through financial account. So in capital account, all types of loans are considered in capital account, and whatever investment done, whatever investment made in real estate, business ventures and foreign direct investments are considered under financial account. So this is a general format of balance sheet. So the current, first we make entries of all current account. In current account there are visible, that means entries of goods, and invisible means entries of services. Then first one is credit. So whatever the receipt taken by country and whatever payment done is entered in a debit, and whatever the difference is written in a net column. Same thing for capital account and financial account. So whatever the subtotal and grand total. So this is a general format of balance of payment. So friends, today we discussed on balance of payment. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, any queries, you can contact me on our group. Thank you.